Hi folks, I'm Ilona and today I have a tutorial for this cute little pendant with a bead. So this is a variation of a pendant I did with a set cabochon, but I thought it will look cool with a bead as well. I'm gonna put pictures for you to see of what I did before. It is really easy to do. I used 20 gauge square wire, 22 gauge half round wire, 20 gauge round wire, and 28 gauge round wire for weaving. And this is a 1mm bead. I hope you like this tutorial and let's get started. I'm starting with a straight piece of 20 gauge square copper wire. This is dead soft, but I think half hard would work here even better, but I don't have half hard square wire. You can use round wire if you want, it actually makes no difference. So I'm going to find the middle, so this is will be 4 inches, and make a bend, just like a V shape, like this. Then I'll take a Sharpie. It's just a Sharpie. If you have mandrels, you can use mandrels. And so I will just put this here and make my shape. I'll check. Okay, this looks fine. This is a bit not straight, but you can just straighten it. To readjust this. Right. Now I will just connect these two and make a simple bail like in any other pendant, any other frame. So secure it, yeah, and then I'll get back to you. Here's my little frame. If you have a mallet, I would actually recommend you to tap to harden it, because the wire is obviously quite soft. But if you're using half hard wire, that's not an issue. And if you don't have a mallet, that's also fine. Like I didn't harden it on this one. It's okay. Now I will attach the bead. I'll just decide where I'm putting it. I'm gonna put it right, well, there. First I'll secure the square wire. I'm using square wire, you can use round wire, it makes no difference. Just square wire is, half round wire is, gets nicely secured on square wire. I'll just make a few rotations, like 3 maybe. And where am I going to be? Here? Maybe a bit higher. Here. This is obviously way too long. And you want the tension to be like not super tight, but so you know, so there's little mobility, but not loose either. Like you will secure the bead with this weave there, but so don't make it too tight. So I have here a piece of rounded soft wire. It is 20 gauge, 0.8. You can use another one if you want. And it's 5 inches, and obviously I will need more on one side and less on the other side. So let's say 2 inches and 3 inches, like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to coil here for about 2/3 of an inch, but I will also leave a few inches wire here so I can secure it. I will show you what I mean. So this is where my 2 inches start here. So I'll just leave a piece of wire like this and then coil for about 2/3 of an inch, which I guess it's about 2 centimeters. And once I have this coil, I'll get back to you. Okay, so here's my coil. And this coil is going to be under the bead. So what I want to do is to make a loop with it. This is just a pin, which I think is about the same diameter as my bead, but you know, if you have mandrels, feel free to use them. Let's see. Yeah, but this looks good. Okay, I want to secure this. Let's see. I want to secure this wire on this side of the pendant. So I will just put them next to each other and use the figure-8 weave to secure them, to tie them together. You can use whatever you want. Everything I'm offering you is optional. You can always improvise. Okay, so I'm going to trim this a little bit because I won't need that much, and leave it there for now. And I'm going to use this wire I have to weave the element and the frame together. Like, see, just using the figure-8 weave. I'm going to shape, not fully, but I'm going to give the general direction to where I'm going, like there. Am I happy with this? You need to decide where you want your loop to be. So for example, you may want it to be just here. That's fine. You may want it to be there, which is also fine. And like if you make one there, you can bring this one kind of more in the middle. It's up to you. So I'm just showing you the general technique of how to do it. And yeah, I'm just going to use figure-8 weave until I'm nearing to the like the curve, like the upper element, like this one. So I'll show you what I'm doing, and then I'll finish it by myself. So see, I'm just using the basic figure-8 weave, but I have to kind of thread through the frame to attach it. And you need to make sure that when you're weaving, this wire does not move, because it will want to move, so just be careful with it. So I'm going to get somewhere here, I think, and then I'll show you what I do next. So I'm getting close to the place where I want the curve to be. So now I will form it, and I'll just hold the whole piece there and start forming it. See, just gradually, slowly. That's okay for now. And I may as well form the second one since I'm here. So I'll bring it up there. So I'm going to go here, and then I'll hold it. And curve it. And I'll leave it at this for now. Maybe bring this in out of the way. Okay, I need to get to this point off camera because I can't see what I'm doing. But yeah, once I reach here, I will want to connect these two together so this one is not wobbling around. And I will show you how to do it. Okay. So I kind of got to the point where these two meet, and I will use the same figure 8 weave to secure these two together. Nothing fancy here, just I can't see, but you know, needs must. Sorry. Okay. So I think these are secured now, so this is not gonna go anywhere. And I'm just going to finish this now. So first I'm gonna finish my curve. Let's see what I'm going to do here. It's going to be like this. I might put a bead on it. Maybe. Let's see. Okay, so I put a bead here, and now I'm going to try to secure it in a way that the bead kind of covers the bail bit. Go here. Come on, little bead. No, come here. This will do. Trim, pinch with a bead on it. And now I'll arrange it nicely. Okay, so like this, the bead is kind of covering what's happening there. And once it's oxidized, it will be even less visible. And I will just use the same wire to continue my weave until it meets this wire here, and then I will connect them together as well. So these two meet now, and I'm just going to use again the figure 8 weave to tie them together, because for now, you see, if you just leave it like this, it's kind of wobbly. So again, I will tie them together. And well, you can do it in whichever manner works for you. You know, there's no rules, it's just what works best for you. And I will just secure it here. Maybe another, no, that should be enough. I think so. Yeah, so I will just secure this wire here, and then it will be only this bit left. Let's finish it now. I'm just going to take the pliers and make a loop. Let's see what happens here. Just a nice small loop. In my case, in your case, it might be huge, you know. I can't decide. I probably want to just use a little piece of wire to secure this as well. I really don't like when something is loose. I mean, it's not exactly loose, I guess. No, that's okay. But if you want to, you can just take a small piece of wire and secure this here too, just in case, you know. This is it. I mean, you can put another bead somewhere if you want, like here, for example. That would look cool, I guess. Or you can just leave it as it is. Yeah. So this is the final result. I oxidized it. It looks quite neat. It looks much better in silver wire, I think, but you know, to each their own. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know if you have any questions, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to get more tutorials. Thank you, bye!